What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Oxy LED MD50, Amazon's favorite tactical flashlight. We will tell you everything you need to know about Oxy LED MD50, Amazon's favorite tactical flashlight, so keep watching until the end. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Also, please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. As always, we're going to begin with Oxy LED MD50 Tactical Flashlight unboxing. The Oxy LED MD50 Tactical Flashlight arrives packed neatly in a black molded plastic case. Approximately 7 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, and approximately 2 inches tall. The lid is locked securely in place with 4 plastic clips, which are easily released, allowing the lid to open. Other than the flashlight itself, the package from Amazon includes the AAA battery adapter, lithium-ion 18650 battery, the battery holder, AC charger of 110 to 200 volt for the included rechargeable battery, and of course, user manual and some sort of feedback card. Now let's talk about Oxy LED MD50 tactical flashlight specs. Oxy LED MD50 has one Creed LED bulb that outputs 500 lumens of light, rated for 50 plus 1,000 hours. The flashlight has 3 brightness levels, plus strobe, SOS, and zoomable beam. This Amazon favorite tactical flashlight has aluminum alloy body and is IPX6 water resistant rated. MD50 also has 1-year warranty and its dimensions are pretty compact. The length is approximately 5.5 inches, head diameter is 1.57 inches, and the barrel diameter is 1 inch. And the flashlight weighs approximately 6.5 ounces with the battery inside. Now we're going to talk about the material and the design of the flashlight. What could be the design of tactical flashlight? Well, it's a flashlight, some of you might say, as long as it does the job, and in fact it does do the job well and also made well. The Oxy LED MD50 LED flashlight is very durable, and like I said before, Oxy LED MD50 is made with aircraft grade aluminum alloy. It's painted black and it feels great in your hands due to the material weight. The lens has a toughened ultra clear glass with anti-reflective coating. The flashlight has a rubber green switch at the top. The MD is lightweight and it's easy to carry. You don't get a belt clip or case with the flashlight, but it slides easily into a back pocket or the side pocket on the back. And it also has this string that you can put it around your arm, which will help you carry the flashlight. In order to make sure your flashlight operates, first you need to insert the battery in it, obviously. So in order to do that, you need to unscrew the top lid, the lid that has the button on top of it. Insert the battery into battery adapter and then put it into the flashlight. Screw the lid back on, and now your flashlight should be operating just fine. And here are some features of the flashlight. The Oxy LED MD50 has a push-pull focus run that adjusts from a tightly controlled spot to a wide field of light. It is easy to use and it feels well guarded against the dirt and water intrusion. That bears well with the claimed IPX6 rating. The MD50 is IPX6 water resistant. Keep that in mind, it's not waterproof. This flashlight works well in heavy rain. Avoid dropping the light underwater. This bright LED flashlight has 5 total light modes. High with an output of 500 lumens, medium at 250 lumens, and low at 50 lumens. It also has a strobe mode and SOS mode. When it comes to the battery, the MD50 is compatible with 18650 rechargeable lithium-ion battery or 3 AAA batteries. I wouldn't recommend relying on AAA batteries for power when it comes to the tactical flashlight, but if you absolutely need to, you have that option here. The flashlight has a built-in protection to protect itself from over-decharge or over-discharge, and it takes approximately 6 hours to fully charge the included 18650 battery. And remember, you have to remove the battery from the flashlight in order to charge it. This tactical flashlight must be Amazon favorite or Amazon must-have flashlight for a reason. Because if you ask me, it's pretty great flashlight, especially if you can get it on Amazon like I did for $15 only. The controls of the Oxy LED MD50 tactical flashlight are pretty straightforward. Each mode is accessed by a single press of the green button on the base of the flashlight. Once you hear the click, the flashlight is on, and to cycle through each mode, you have to only press the button halfway. Fully depressing the button turns it on and off. Switching between modes is user-friendly, and your last output setting is remembered for 3 seconds. If you turn it off and back on, if longer, it will go return to the highest output mode at 500 lumens. Thank you very much for watching my video about Oxy LED MD50 tactical flashlight, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe, and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember, guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.